Hi guys, this is Mohan here. Today my video is about how to use internet through Ethernet cable without having Ethernet port into your desktop or laptop with the help of this standard USB to gigabit LAN adapter. As you know, these days laptop are not coming with Ethernet ports. You can use this adapter if you want a dedicated line for your desktop or laptop. So this adapter comes with adapter itself. So one side you can see it's USB male and other side is Ethernet port. And now it's very easy and simple, and it's a plug and play device. So what you have to do, simple insert one end of the adapter into any standard USB port, and other other side of the adapter the internet cable will go into that port. So you can see now. Before inserting that cable, I can show you that the blue light is turned on, and that blue light shows that it's installed properly. Now when we will connect that Ethernet cable with the Ethernet port of the adapter, you will see other blue light will blink, and that blue light will show that device is receiving and sending the data. See guys, you can see the blue light here. And one thing more, you will also see here sign of Ethernet port here. It's a standard size, it's standard sign, and very near to the volume button, volume sign. Now let's see whether it's working or not. So what we will do, we will open a browser and write and search anything. See guys, it's working. If you have liked my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks guys.